Baltimore's waterfront has been called our crown jewel, the heart of the city, and Baltimore's meeting place. To us, it is all of this and more. It's a place where community meets conservation, where history, culture, and wildlife thrive side by side, and where people from across the city gather to connect with and enjoy our blue and green spaces. At Waterfront Partnership, we're proud to be part of it all. At the water, on the water, and in the water. Our mission is simple: to make the waterfront clean, green, safe, and welcoming for everyone who lives, works, and visits here. And how do we do it? With a little bit of everything. The work starts with our operations team. They're on the ground 363 days a year to manage and maintain our public spaces across the waterfront, through landscaping and beautification, to welcome people to the district, provide safety escorts, and to add a special touch to the visitor experience. Our events team activates our district through free, inclusive programming that supports local creatives. There's something for everyone to enjoy, from Baltimore by Baltimore and Sunset Jams, which spotlight emerging local artists and entrepreneurs, to hands-on wildlife gardening workshops that connect residents to nature in the heart of the city. Through our Healthy Harbor initiative, we're focused on the restoration and conservation of the Baltimore Harbor. We monitor water quality and build oyster habitats to improve it. And residents can connect to the waterfront through our educational programs, volunteer opportunities, or by paddling along the 30 miles of trails of the Baltimore Blue Way. And of course, we're keeping the harbor clean with everyone's favorite semi-autonomous trash interceptor, Mr. Trash Wheel. We are here to strengthen and uplift the businesses and neighborhoods in our waterfront district. With our place as a trusted Baltimore nonprofit, we're in a unique position to champion new capital projects, help bring arts and cultural events to the district, and encourage more people to live, work, and play at the waterfront. It takes a partnership of city agencies, creative communities, cultural institutions, volunteers, businesses, longtime neighbors, and growing families. And together, we're working every day to make sure that our waterfront reflects the very best of Baltimore.